The diamond circular saw blade manufactured with high quality and durable heat-treated manganese. Steel N60 diamond grit can provide longer cutting life. High concentration diamond sand of the blade enhances the longevity of the diamond blade. The segmented design improves airflow, helps the saw blade to dissipate heat, and remove cutting dust. Provides a smooth, fast, clean and efficient cutting. Thickened blade are designed for aggressive cutting and repairing grout in mortar or cracks in concrete asphalt. Max 13,000 RPM. Our diamond discs are ideal for cutting ceramic tile, stone tile, backer board, cement, concrete, roof tiles, brick, block, marble, granite, paving. Masonry reduce the noise generated. Timely heat dissipation. No burn blade. Wet saw blade with water makes the cutting process smoother.